Do you want financial freedom? Do you want time freedom? Do you want massive passive income? Would you like not to have to depend on a job? Obviously, the answer is yes. So, why haven't you just done it? I'm sure your research has revealed to you that real estate is a way to have financial freedom, time freedom, and passive income. And commercial real estate is especially that way. Do it bigger and better. So why haven't you invested in commercial real estate? Since you know it's the best one, and you want financial freedom, time freedom, and passive income, why haven't you done it? You don't know how to find them. You don't know how to analyze them. If you click the button below, I will send you immediately access to a free mini course on how that problem can easily be solved. Click it. I'll provide it to you instantaneously as a gift from me to you. I want you to be able to have your dreams realized. Nothing's going to happen until you take action. Now, bearing in mind that I want your success so much, on every video I have a button for you to put your questions or comments. If you got a question for me, if I'm personally going to answer it, not my staff, you're going to tap into my 30+ years of experience on how to do this business and how I was able to change my paradigm shift to become a successful commercial real estate investor. Take care. Enjoy the course.